Today I will show you how you can use Canva to create simple ads for your products so you can advertise on Facebook. And we'll be creating two ads, okay? So we'll be using one from Canva template and customize it, and then we will actually do one from scratch, okay? But I'm not sure if I'll make these two videos because I really don't want the videos to be too long, okay? So probably I might separate it. Let's get on with the video. So what you can do is simply go to videos. I am there already, and you click on Facebook video. All right. So next, what we'll do is we can either use templates that we see here to create our ad, or we can create our ad from scratch. Okay. So most of the time, I prefer to create my ad from scratch. However, since this is a video I'm creating just to show you how you can create a simple ad using Canva, what I will do is simply use one of the templates that Facebook is showing us that Canva. I will use one of the templates that Canva is showing us right here. Okay, so I love this one here, so let us try this one. Okay, first of all, we have to customize this thing. Let us remove this and remove all these little leaves. Okay, so I love gold elements. Well, first of all, let us change this color and use a color, a softer pink. My brand color is yellow. I think this yellow is too bright. So what I will do is sort of customize it and make it a little softer. Right, this is really nice. And but what we can do is look for gold elements here. Oh, gold leaf, yes. So this will work as some nicely in the background, and we'll position this backward. So let us duplicate this by just clicking on it and clicking duplicate over here, and we will flip this by going up to the corner here, and we're gonna flip. Let's flip. Okay, we'll flip vertical, sorry. So we will flip this vertical just by clicking on the flip vertical button. You have this here. Let's push this down to the corner. Right, this is already starting to look wonderful. So okay, let us look at I really like Canva for this. Look at this. It has so many suggestions that you can simply take and use. Look at this. This is so beautiful, and I think I will use this. So can we flip this, just so it will be, let's position this backward. It's really beautiful, and I think we should duplicate this. Let's duplicate this and flip this the other way. Now yeah, okay, and oh, sorry. Okay, and position this. Why am I doing this? Why? Position backward. Okay. All right, this is already looking so good already, and I love the little gold dust, or little, I don't know how you call this. What is the right word for this? Let us click here. Gentle dust. So we will use the gentle dust and position this backward as well. All right, so basically we're making this our own, right? So we're going to position this backward, and again we're going to duplicate and bring this over here, and I like to just flip it, right, and rotate this a bit, Okay, and position backward, right? Okay, I think this is looking spectacular already. And what I'll do is pull this to be a little more pronounced, right? Right. Okay. I think this is perfect. And I will, so basically what I'm creating now, it's a template. So I can add 3-4 different pictures inside this phone. Okay, so let us say cute earrings. Get 2 for $50. All right, so let us center this. Okay. Yeah. And what we'll do is put a contact number. So I wouldn't put a contact number here, but just for, so I wouldn't put a my real number here, but just for the sake of this video, I'll just put in a contact number just for you guys, okay? Okay. Right. Right. So we will leave this as is. I like to make this red, and I like it to be large, you know, so it can stand out. And the contact will remain in black at the bottom. Okay, so let us go into our uploads because I've uploaded some videos, and I'll simply put in some, you know, put the videos, little short videos of earrings that I took before, and also mute it. Okay, remember to mute your stuff, ladies. Remember to mute it. Okay, so look at this. It's beautiful already. So I want to jazz this up a bit. So what I'll do is drag this in the middle here, and I will split the page, right? Now click on this, on the picture, and double click and sort of zoom in on just one of the earrings so people will be able to see better. And of course, I will put a transition in the middle here by adding, it's not behaving, okay, add transition, right? I'm not sure what is match and move, but it, okay, so these are new from Canva. Okay, okay, these are nice, but let us see. If it doesn't look good, you know, ladies, we will change this up. I don't like this. No, I like this. Okay, so let us play this. Okay, I like this, right? I think I like how it's going already. So what we'll do is duplicate this again and simply add another image here, right? And of course we need to mute. It's muted. Okay, and what we'll do again is we'll duplicate this, and we will add another picture right here. Of course, need to mute it. Okay, I really don't want my ads to be too long. Okay, but I like to give them enough so that they'll be enticed, right, by it. Okay, so I'll put it in the middle here since that one is really long, and I will split the page and add another one. So in this one, I'm just giving them an idea of how big or how large the earring actually is. Okay, so now we have that. Let us go into audio and select something that is really nice and beautiful and into the fashion. So can we search fashion? Okay guys, so I like this. I can taste your words. And there was another one that I really had liked. It was ego, I think. Okay guys, so we need to put our transitions here. I think I like the dissolve transition better. It is more more of a seamless, yeah, it's more seamless, and I think I will work with that. So I'll go ahead and just add the dissolve transition between each slide. I will go ahead and duplicate this because I think it's a bit short. I will duplicate this and let me go ahead and just add the song. Should I use this song? I think I used that so many times. Okay guys, so we will use this song, and the song, just by clicking on this, the song will basically fall into place as you see here. And when the song is highlighted, you can go into effects, and I like to fade it out, a strong fade out. Okay, so persons will know that the ad is over basically. And I like the strong fade in, so I don't really have a fade in. I just like it to start right away. Okay, so when I select a strong fade out, you can see here on the video that there's a line that shows a decline. So the song is starting to decline. If you increase it, you'll see, right? So you'll see it has faded out. Okay, so what I'll need to do is go back into my uploads and into videos and just select another. Yes, this is my daughter speaking. Yeah, so I'll just select another earring to showcase. I think I'll show this one. Yeah, I'll showcase this one. Remove the volume, I'm sorry. And I think that should be it. This is a very simple product video that I normally do for my products. Okay, so guys, and now we are done with our video, right? It seems like Canva is having some issues with this song playing as a preview. So what I'll do is, I need one more thing we forgot to put. Of course, how can we forget our logo? The logo should be in your main template. Okay, let's hide this, and we can put the logo right here and copy this and simply just click on the artwork, and the logo will go, well, just click on the area and the logo will go into place, easy like that. Okay, so basically what we're looking at here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slides. So we have 7 video templates. Okay, and of course, if we click on the bottom here, we can actually see the preview right here, but we don't need this view anymore. So just hide this away, tuck it away, and we're basically done. What we'll do is download this and I will show you the final video. Okay, so let's go into, click on share. Everything is in share right now, and you click on download. You go into, well, it's an MP4. So that is how you want to download your file. And you click on all, you make sure you ensure that all the pages here are selected, all your 7 pages. If you click on all pages 1 to 7, you'll see that it will deselect, the pages. So let's click on that again and click on done, and we're going to download. So just click on download. So guys, I hope you actually learned from the video today and you actually saw how simple it was to create an ad using Canva. Okay, so if you want to know how you can advertise your ad on Facebook, or a simple boost, I want to say is advertise a simple boost basically, then watch this video right now. Until we meet again, we gonna be good.